Hey guys, and welcome back. Today, I just want to make a real quick video to talk to you about Microsoft Fabric that was just announced this week at Microsoft Build. So let's talk about it. So what is Microsoft Fabric? Microsoft Fabric is the new SaaS-based unified analytics platform. The platform provides you with the tools and the capabilities that you need to perform all of your analytics needs, from data integration to data engineering, to data science, to real-time analytics, to business intelligence. The Microsoft Fabric environment unifies the tool sets and the data that will be utilized by different data personas, making it easy to collaborate and to gain insights from your data. This unified platform also simplifies integration and management, as there is no need for you to have to integrate different components and data services together. And there is no need for you to have to understand the complex purchasing options for each of the individual components. Microsoft Fabric provides you with an environment that is completely integrated, unified, and simplified. One of the core components to Microsoft Fabric is the new Microsoft OneLake. Microsoft OneLake is a data lake storage service that is shared by your entire organization. So every single Azure AD tenant will have exactly one Microsoft OneLake. All of the individual artifacts that you build with Microsoft Fabric will all be stored inside of your OneLake. So they can be your warehouses, your lake houses, etc. All of those individual artifacts now will all be stored and kept inside of your Microsoft OneLake account. Microsoft OneLake simplifies the data storage experience, as there is no longer a need for you to have to worry about where your storage account is deployed to, what redundancy options you may have chosen, or the need for you to have to worry about the role-based access control that you configured for your storage accounts. Since all of your data for your entire organization will all be stored inside of OneLake, this eliminates data silos. OneLake has some really cool features when it comes to things like security and the overall data management pieces. And there are also some really cool things that really allow OneLake to be that first multi-cloud data lake. But stay tuned, because we will be taking a deeper look at OneLake in an upcoming video. In conclusion, Microsoft Fabric will be a game changer when it comes to building out your analytic solutions. As this is a SaaS-based offering, it takes away a lot of the different complexities that you typically have with your infrastructure provisioning and performance configuration choices. The OneLake storage layer ensures that all of your data lives in one location in an open and a non-proprietary format. Microsoft Fabric provides you with multiple compute engines that you can choose based on your particular workload needs and your particular skill sets and comfort level with those actual tools. There is a Spark engine, a T-SQL engine, a KQL engine, and a analysis services engine. So over the next few weeks, I will be bringing you some more exciting news and demos to walk you through the Microsoft Fabric experience. So if you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when those new Microsoft Fabric videos drop. And last but not least, show some love to me, please, and hit that like button and help my channel grow. Until next time, guys, peace.